Zydex is pretty good, even though it is possibly not as much as we had it in 2019. Uh, but considering the last 18, 20 months, most of the people are being outside and not being able to come out for events or anything of that such sort. I think 2021 Zydex is a successful one. I can see a lot of people around. A lot of our customers coming in from not just from UAE but also from other countries, here, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain. We could meet up with a lot of our partners, and we could meet up with a lot of friends as well. From a technology perspective itself, I can see, there is quite a lot of innovations being introduced, and people get an opportunity to play hands-on with it. So I think generally, uh, uh, it's a great show. We are the leaders in the digital transformation segment. We must have supported uh, more than 150 customers so far in their digital transformation journey. Uh, right from areas such as artificial intelligence, chatbots, business intelligence, advanced analytics, blockchain, customer experience management, CRM, corporate treasury management, robotic process automation, managed services, so on and so forth. Uh, and I think we are currently leading that domain. We have a clear lead position there. But as you know, digital transformation comes along with its own challenges as well. Earlier days, if you look at all of your data was inside your data center or inside your premises. Now with uh, digital transformation, the scenario is very different. Uh, People are accessing information from across the globe. People are working from home uh, in a kind of scenario like people access e-commerce from everywhere. So the information is everywhere, and you don't know where the loopholes are. You don't know where the vulnerabilities are. So we have also got in. I mean, because of this scenario, the 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 way the cyber security was handled before has been also going through a transformation, because the earlier ways of protecting your information through a perimeter protection or an antivirus or a firewall is no more enough when your data itself is outside. So we come out with this new term called securing digital transformation, which will have elements to protect uh, uh, or to support the digital transformation journey. So we are now focusing also on areas such as digital identity, data protection and privacy, cloud assurance, zero trust, micro-segmentation, and also we have recently set up a local SOC, which allows to, which helps us to support our clients over here, to provide them with, whatever cyber security support they would require. Especially what happens is that, since all these technologies are pretty new, it is very difficult for an organization to either acquire these products or technologies, or even to have the necessary skills to support them. So this is where we come in from, providing these skills and technologies on a shared services model, through our SOAP, and also we combine them with consulting services such as group CISO services, and also services such as ongoing penetration testing, so on and so forth. So that's the kind of portfolio and the basket what we are currently engaged in, and that is what we are demonstrating here at Zydex. If you look at from a digital transformation perspective, uh, in my opinion, and you must have been true, every industry has to go in for that. So, uh, the traditional way of focusing on a few domains also has been changed now, primarily because if you are building up applications and you are providing applications, it is very difficult to jump from one domain to another domain, because you build up an application on a healthcare segment or an education segment, and then the way which another domain works is very different. But from a digital transformation perspective, this is more horizontal, because be it is a manufacturing company, be it a retail company, be it an education company, or be it a healthcare or a financial services company, everybody needs chatbots. Everybody wanted to leverage their data. Everybody wanted to embrace artificial intelligence. Similarly, everybody wanted to automate their business process. Everybody wanted to interact and engage with their customer or their community. Everybody wanted to protect their information and data. So, to answer you, our strength are always lying on, say, for example, BFSI, education, energy, healthcare, and public sector. But currently, we have seen that we are actually going beyond these traditional domains. We were very strong with. That's primarily of the need from the digital transformation side. Finance has never been exponentially grown, or on the good side of it, when the COVID hit and everybody was in trouble, we could never we were good enough that we didn't have to go through a very wrong patch as well. So our growth is always slow but steady. I think we will grow about 15% approximately compared to what it was last year. Uh, uh, but that's what we have anyway projected. We are more or less in our targets. Um, so I think we have the important fact. What I want to say is that right from the inception of Finus 11 years ago, we are growing consistently uh, on double digits number, except in 2020 where the COVID hit, where we had we were not being able to touch double digit, but just little lesser than that. Basically, we are now building up our resources around artificial intelligence. We are building up skills and expertise on creating frameworks for artificial intelligence. Creating ready to deploy kind of data models for specific industries that we are working onto it. We are also extending our chatbots to enable the experience of the chatbots, bringing in artificial intelligence technologies. So AI is something which we are heavily investing on it. On the other side of it, we are also started working on IoT. So we are building up from both ends. One is capturing the data side, using various tokens and what do you call those hardware we are bringing in, plus also get that data together and bring that data together. So IoT is another area what we are focusing.